everyone, my name is Nana. People has different tastes, so we have to respect each other's opinion. If you ask me to choose between chicken and pizza, I will choose chicken. Here are 2 reasons to support my presentation. First, chicken tastes good. Also, chicken has crispy texture, and chicken's part of leg can grab and bite to eat. Chicken has fried chicken and seasoning chicken, so who like to eat spicy, then they can eat seasoning chicken. Like this, people has different tastes, so we can choose menu we like. Second, I can choose it for parts of chicken. For example, my favorite parts of chickens are leg and wings. But if you eat the dry parts of chicken, then you can feel not good. But some people are like the dry parts of chicken. I think this is only a difference of taste. In conclusion, I prefer chicken more than pizza because chicken tastes good and I can choose it for parts of chicken. Thank you for listening.